Hey guys, welcome to the channel, and here we have find X7 Ultra 7 number name OPPO Hasselblad co-engineered edition. So this time we will have a very quick unbox video about this flagship model from OPPO, and this is the Find X series. And yes, this time we have the OPPO Find X7 Ultra. I think it's a dark color and 60GB RAM plus 512GB RAM. So next, let's unbox it and let's check what's inside this box and how its performance. Okay, whoa. Okay, after we open the cover, we get another box. Smile forward in Chinese, and here to provide a case is a heart. Not transparent. I think it's a plastic case, and also to provide a gift card, quick start, and SIM card ejector. So this is all the stuff inside this box. Let's put it aside. And next, whoa, the smartphone is here. It's OPPO. Cool. Find X7 Ultra. Before we check smartphone, okay, go to accessories first. Okay, so here you have charger, 100-watt super watt charger, USB to Type-C charger, and this time the OPPO Find 7 X Pro. To provide a 4500 big battery with 100-watt fast charging. Okay, and here is a cable, Type-C to USB cable. Yes, so this is all stuff inside box. And next, okay, let's check the smartphone. Okay, whoa, very nice. First, let's get it out from the screen protector. Whoa. Okay, now OPPO Find X7 Ultra smartphone is in front of us, and here is appearance. Very nice. Attractive camera zoom, and this time the houses the dual Periscope camera inside this phone, and also here is the leather material back panel. And this part I think is kind of glass, so the back panel combining the leather and glass. It looks so fashion and luxury design. Let's go to the front. Wake up the screen. Whoa. Curved screen. Nice. Punch hole camera. Here. Here. Power button. Volume button on this side to provide a customized button. Let's check it. Silent mode. Entering VIP mode. Nice. Exiting mode, VIP mode. Cool. Yes, this time for this device, it's used a 6.82-inch TPO AMOLED screen. It's about 120 Hz refresh rate, and the peak brightness reached to 1600, and it support HDR10 Plus and Dolby Vision. We'll go to the display features to check the refresh rate here. High standard 16 to 120 Hz. Also, this time for screen is support 3168 by 1440 display resolution and 510 ppi and TPO 3.0. Screen also support eye protect. Get very nice display performance on such a high-end screen. And this time the screen is also from made in China and it's not from Samsung, so this is pretty nice. And also we can go to settings to check more information about this device here. So it's powered by a Snapdragon 8 Generation 3 platform, 5000 big battery, 5000, and RAM support RAM expand 18, 8 or 12, can be extra 4 extra. Front camera 32 megapixel and real 50. It's pretty nice. And he's a 50 megapixel wide angle Sony 9000 and the 50 megapixel 3x zoom IMX 890 and 50 megapixel 6x zoom Sony IMX 890 2.51, and for Sony IMX 8910 for the 3x zoom is a 1.65 here. And also it get a 50 megapixel long lens. It support OIS. So this time the 4 camera work together, and it finished from 14 nanometers to 270 millimeters. It's full aperture covered. No matter this long distance or short distance, it can fully meet your need. No worry about losing the quality of the pictures of the camera. Also, this time the work with the Hasselblad to provide the hypertone image engine to provide pretty good camera performance. Android 14 based on. Pretty nice. And also, hand this home on my hand, I can feel it very nice, not so heavy, and the thickness about this phone is just 9.5 mm, and the weight just 221. So this is pretty comfortable and nice. And besides the 100 watt capable charging, it supports 50 watt wireless charging as well. Yes, and the RAM and ROM support LPDDR5X and UFS 4.0. So this is pretty cool for this device from OPPO, and we can have a very simple camera sample test, and also we will show you more pictures at the end of the video. Yes, wide angle again, 1 normal, wide angle 2, 3, 6, 3 times zoom, and 6 times zoom. Use the different camera. And also support details. Camera details. Front. Anti light. Also here to provide more promote for AID, text scan, slow mode, high-res, panel, expand sticker. Let's try this. For ID card mode, so here you can use it as a ID card. Or funny. Front camera is nice. Front details. Whoa, super cool. I think this camera is very nice. Yes, this is a very simple, quick unboxing video about this model from OPPO Find X7 Ultra. Thanks for watching. Let's stay tuned the video for more cool gadgets from here. Bye bye.